Hi, welcome to fdmonting.se. If you like me, like Audis and like to upgrade your car, this is the web shop to go to. Today we're going to talk about some interior styling that is original parts from Audi. For example, you have the steering wheels, start buttons and gear knobs. A really nice upgrade to your car is change of steering wheel. These are two examples of new steering wheels. These are complete with airbags. But if you order a steering wheel from fdmonting.se, it's going to look like this. So, steering wheels. This is an RS6 flat bottom steering wheel example. This one has shift panels. We have the black RS6 badge, also available in different colors and different names, for example RS7, RS5, etc. When you buy a steering wheel, it's always important to check you have the right airbag. Always check that. If you really don't know which airbag you're gonna have or you have to have, check our website and we'll fix it for you.
Always make sure you have the right airbag.
Another great but very small update is new start buttons. The RS series have start buttons with a red ring around it. For example, this is the A6, the A4 and the A3. And these are original parts. Let's have a look at the A6 one. And there are difference between right-hand drive cars and left-hand drive cars as well. And it looks like this. This is quite simple upgrade, but it looks really good. Another great upgrade for your car, and a fairly easy one, is the change of gear knobs. Here we have two examples. These are for the A6 C7 facelift and pre-facelift cars. You can see the difference is the gear lever handle knob is on the left side on the pre-facelift one and on the front on the facelift one. And all these are original parts from Audi available at our web shop. If you drive a manual Audi, there is something for you as well. This is one example. We have the RS look gear knob. This example is for the Audi A3. Check our website and we'll have different models for all your cars as well. As you can see, we have most Audi original parts and also Volkswagen parts, all original. If you check out our website at fdmonting.se and you see you missing something or have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us at fdmonting.se.